Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Maran Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your heated and cooling cup holders on a 2013 Dodge Charger. So, in order to access this feature, you must first go to the center dash next to the shifter where the cup holder is. And you can see right here it has an option of the snowflake logo, and there's 3 arrows going up. Snowflake is the cooling option, and this one is the heated option. It also has one on the other side as well right here. So, in order to activate this feature, left side is cooling right there. It should illuminate blue, and this is heating, illuminating red. If you would like to turn off this button, just press on the button again, and it will turn off for you. Same goes on the cooling side, just press it again and it will turn off for you. And yeah, that'll be it for this tutorial. My name is Austin from Maran Acura, and thank you guys for watching.